Kardom don barde atum nangli tum dan pastame kardom mang pajeriklo pini la swa video long mang hedi nangli tum phan ili tum kaching hon nei Dr. Dharamsing Teron aputhak sinang thanik ji mate alang li phan Ph.D anong ika panong hedi pini hedi la swa puthak si nangli tum phan la swa lam arjan sinang paklang ji la sinang li tum stame neng samjin pen lang ikha la penke unan sami pachithak ikha ili tum kaching hon Dr. Dharamsing Teron alang dike il tum kar be ang bong pen hedi la lun lam tumo kabir tidu na bang puiglo lagi ili tum maduta chinilo la pen ke alang like Center for Carbon Studies lo director iglo la pen det ke alang like independent research iglo la si alang di phan Gauhati University pen la so Ph.D anong ikapanong ik hedi la ke me par pikalam lo la pen ke ili tum kar be do ana tum hastame isi kimisen ang thek lo la pen ke ili tum han aseli tum stame unan ke charli dunik nang po la sinang ni tum dan phan stame la swa video bang ki share han se chuning ri lo la se lang ek sinang to don mari tum tangte.
I will now read the scroll of honor for Shri Dharamsing Teron. Shri Dharamsing Teron, Doctor of Philosophy, honoris causa, 29th Convocation, Gauhati University, May 6, 2022. Historian and scholar, your rich body of work in Karbi history and culture is a testimony to the place you occupy in the contemporary intellectual landscape of Assam. You have meticulously researched and documented the history and life of the Karbis in works like Exploring Differences, Recording Change, the Karbis of Assam and Karbi History, Past and Present, while in Hills Are Alive, that was brought out by the Tourism Department of the Karbi Anglong District Autonomous Council. You have presented Karbi Anglong in an attractive and accessible form. In the several volumes of Karbi studies, Reclaiming the Ancestors' Voices, In Search of the Drongo and Other Stories, Folktales from the Fringe, and Memories, Myths, Metaphors, you have offered glimpses of folklore and folk beliefs. Your writings have helped familiarize the larger Assamese society with Karbi culture, character, and aspirations. You have collected, translated, and put together stories from oral sources and helped in the preservation of this valuable cultural resource, even as you have explored and written on ancestral and ecological traditions within the community and the phase of colonial rule and its effects on age-old notions of land and space. As lawmaker, you have served your people both in the Karbi Anglong District Autonomous Council and in the Assam Legislative Assembly. In recognition of your invaluable contributions in all these spheres, Gauhati University is privileged to confer on you the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, honoris causa, signed Vice Chancellor, Gauhati University. The Honorable Vice Chancellor will now present the candidate for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, Ph.D., honoris causa, to the Honorable Chancellor.
Honorable Chancellor, sir, the Executive Council of Gauhati University is pleased to honor Sri Dharamsing Teron with the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, Ph.D. honoris causa, for his contribution in the field of folk culture of Assam, and I pray that he may now be admitted.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as Chancellor of Gauhati University, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy and charge you that ever in your life and conversation you show yourself worthy of the same.